Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. As in the previous video, we have discussed about the representation of the rational numbers on the number line. Now our next topic is addition of rational numbers. For the addition of rational numbers, there are two cases. Case 1, when given rational numbers have same denominators. In that case, we define if we are having two rational numbers a upon b and c upon b, in which the denominator b is same. So in this case, we take the common denominator and we add the values of their numerator. So here the numerator is a and c, so we will add a plus c and we will write their common denominator. For example, you have to find the sum of 7 upon 9 plus minus 11 upon 9 and 8 upon minus 11 plus 3 upon 11. Then how we will add them? We have 7 upon 9 plus minus 11 upon 9. These rational numbers are having the same denominator 9. So we will write the common denominator 9 here and we will add the values of their numerator 7 plus minus 11. 7 plus minus 11 will be is equals to minus 4 because you know how to add the integers. So 7 plus minus 11 will be is equals to minus 4 upon 9. So that is the answer of the sum of 7 upon 9 plus minus 11 upon 9. Similarly, in the same way, we will add 8 upon minus 11 plus 3 upon 11. But here the denominator 11 is negative, so we will write it in the positive form. So I will write 8 upon minus 11 is equals to minus 8 upon 11. I have just converted the denominator into positive. Plus 3 upon 11. Again they are having the same denominator 11. So we will write the common denominator 11 and we will add the values of their numerator. Minus 8 plus 3 will be is equals to minus 5 upon 11. Again that will be the answer of the second part. 8 upon minus 11 plus 3 upon 11. Now the second case, when the denominators of given rational numbers are unequal. Then the method says to us, in this case, we take the LCM of their denominators and express each of the given numbers with this LCM as the common denominator. Now we add these numbers as shown above in case 1. Means what we will do, if we have given the different denominators, then we will take the LCM of their denominators and we will convert each of the denominator of the given rational numbers as a same denominator. And then again we will add in the same way as the rational number having the same denominator. How? See the example. Find the sum of minus 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 9. Here these rational numbers are having the different denominator 6 and 9. So we will convert this denominator 6 and 9 into the same denominator. So we will take the LCM of the denominators of the given rational numbers 6 and 9 is equals to, you all know how to find out the LCM, that will come 2 into 3 into 3 is equals to 18. Then we will make 18 as a denominator in both the rational numbers. So minus 5 upon 6, here we have to make the denominator 18, so it will be multiplied by 3 in both numerator and denominator. So it will be converted as minus 15 upon 18. And again 4 upon 9 will be multiplied by 2 to make the denominator 18. So it will come 8 upon 18. Then minus 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 9 is equals to minus 15 upon 18 plus 8 upon 18. Now they are having the common denominator, same denominator 18. So we will write their common denominator 18 here. And then we will add the values of their numerator as we have done in case 1. So we will add the values of their numerator. Minus 15 plus 8 is equals to minus 7 upon 18. That's the answer. There is also the shortcut method for finding the addition of rational numbers. So in the shortcut method, what we do, for example, you have to find the sum of minus 9 upon 16 and 5 upon 12. So they are having the different denominator 16 and 12. We will find the LCM of 16 and 12. That will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is equals to 48. Now we will take the common LCM 48 here. Then we will divide the LCM by the denominator of first rational number. By the denominator of first rational number, 48 divided by 16 will be is equals to 3. Then we will multiply 3 into the numerator of the given rational number minus 9. Minus 9 into 3. Again we will divide the LCM by the denominator of the second rational number, that is 12. So 48 divided by 12 is 4. Then this 4 will be multiplied into the numerator of the corresponding rational number, that is 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Minus 9 into 3 is minus 27. 4 into 5 is 20. So minus 27 plus 20 is equals to minus 7 upon 48. That is the answer of the addition of given rational number. So in this way, we can also add the rational numbers. That's all for today. On the basis of this explanation, try to attempt the question number 1 and 2 of the given exercise. Thank you.